Welcome back to science class. Welcome back. Yeah. Welcome back to science class, and we are going to be finishing this week with pages 10 and 11 in your LearnEd notebook, which is the methods in science page, and it has to do with a few different experiments and your thoughts on the scientific method. So I suggest getting a pencil, something to write with, and we'll go through this. You'll see that some of the answers on here I've put on there, so don't look at them. But essentially, this is testing your knowledge on what a control group is, an independent variable, dependent variable, and to get to a conclusion. Now, some of this is easier, or I guess more intuitive than other questions, but this format of reading an experiment and how it went in real life in these scenarios is real important. It tests your ability to kind of construct an experiment in your own mind and differentiate what good and bad aspects of the experiment there were. You might find a few flaws, like I did, in the description of these experiments. One of them in the second experiment is that they mention a change happening in the amount of residue that they're measuring, but they don't actually say what type of change. They don't give you anything measurable or even a good or bad, more or less change. So if you see something like that, feel free to bring that up in class or in Zoom or make a note of it. It's not very scientific, but because there's a change, what they're trying to refer to is that using the cleaning product did have a positive effect, I'm assuming, on the residue. So for that question, you can assume that they're talking about a positive change. Other than that, if you have any other questions or concerns about that assignment, you can always email me and let me know that you need some help. Feel free to reach out to me anytime, not just during the Zooms, and know that I am supportive of your learning, and I look forward to seeing you in Zoom and in our next science assignment. Have fun with this assignment.